Hello, my name is Judy Machira. I am a student nurse at Regis College in Weston, Massachusetts. I am doing my master's in nursing practice. I'm in the family practice tract. And I thank you for giving me this chance to come here before you and give my support for the Medicare for All Act by Senator Bernie Sanders of Maine. I am in support of this legislature because he has offered to give Medicare to all American citizens despite or regardless of their ability to pay for healthcare. We all know that healthcare right now is one of the costliest bills that any family is facing in this country, and facing bankruptcy is just one disease away. So I am in support of this act of 2019, Medicare for All, because it's going to be a federal program that supports everybody on an equal measure. It will be tax funded. You do not have to apply for a lot of steps that people have had to do in the past. It is available equally for all. It is going to get rid of all insurance plans, be it Medicare, private pay, or Medicaid. I am supporting this more so because of the difference it's going to make in behavioral health. This will mean that anybody facing behavioral issues will have a quicker access to seeing their therapist. The current situation is that they have to go through a medical doctor to get a referral, and getting a referral will make them stay in the emergency room or in an inpatient bed for about 3 days to a month. This makes their situation worse, causes a lot of stress, and delaying care does not help improve the problems that they may be facing. Medicare for All is going to eliminate all this bureaucracy and all third parties and all these administrative steps that have been the case in our current insurance or healthcare delivery in the country. So I am hoping that this committee will consider, for those who are not in support of this bill by Senator Bernie Sanders, Medicare for All, to consider the difference it's going to make for all the behavioral health or behavioral patients. They are going to be able to see their therapist faster. They will not have to wait for referrals from different areas or have to call different facilities. The current arrangement is that a patient has to go to the emergency room and wait for a long time. I am in support of this. I believe that it's going to make a difference even for medical doctors who are working in the emergency rooms, who will be able to focus more on the patients who have medical issues without having to scratch their heads and try to find help for this level of patients with behavioral health. Thank you very much, and I hope that for those who have not read the act, they can go ahead and look at it and see all the proposals and be in support of Medicare for All Act by Senator Bernie Sanders, because it is the right one for behavioral health. Thank you very much.